Ladies and gentlemen, this will be the very last time that I start the M6 in my ownership. So, here we go. Guys, today's the day I get rid of the M6. It's been a great year and a half, but honestly, I don't drive it enough. It's not as fun to work on because basically I don't do a lot of the work on this car. I have to take it to somebody to do maintenance, so it's less of a DIY car. It's a super touchy, sensitive car, so if I was doing something and messed it up, it'd be really costly. And honestly, it just doesn't have the character. I want to bring you guys better content for the channel. Not necessarily better, but more myself. And what do I always like doing? I like building cars. I like putting them together, making them my own style. And yeah, we've done that a little bit, but it's time to move on and go on to something else. If you're seeing this, I hope you have enjoyed the M6 content. It's been a great car. It's been a great car for rallies and all that other stuff, and just overall super reliable for me. If you were looking at M6s, yes, I do recommend them. They are great. I'm just kind of changing paths again and finally have the right buyer for it. So if you're seeing this, just know that this is the last time you will see the M6 on the channel, which is kind of weird, but it is what it is, you know, and we're gonna move on and be okay. Also, rallying tomorrow, Spring Rally, RK Rally 2021, going from Detroit to Mackinac Island to Green Bay, then Chicago, and then back. It's going to be a wild time. I will definitely be filming some stuff on that trip, and I hope you guys are subscribed because you don't want to miss that video. That's going to be super fun.